I was giving the sloppiest of top 3 Musketeers, bro. I don't care.
Did I say Negro? What the fuck is that? Negro?
Dude,
what is that?
What the fuck? Wait. Ain't no way y'all put me.
Thank you, bro.
Who just did that?
Thank you.
The same
It's not a fucking B either.
It's like you say.
Okay. What is it? Hot tamales?
This stank. I shouldn't. What's the point of that?
Yeah, these shits. These stank for me too.
I don't want to get on my face, bro.
Anybody disagree with stank? All right, cool.
It's because they're D.
So we putting jelly bees in.
I said a low keys.
It's just like a C for me.
Yeah, I put that in the C.
They're like a solid D for me.
Jolly Ranchers.
I like Jolly Ranchers.
I fuck with Jolly Ranchers.
I enjoy them.
B, going by what I got in B.
Yeah, I look to put it in B.
I probably put it in B.
Put these in B.
Would I eat these shits now? No.
Yeah, no.
So if we go by now, low key, I put it in C.
You seen the video of that nigga chewing on them?
So I'm eating Jolly Ranchers, right?
This is gonna
crazy,
be.
bro.
All right, Junior Mints.
Solid A.
Nigga,
Solid A for me.
Stank.
Yeah,
You see, Ciroc is an approach.
Anybody else?
So of course he knows.
I said stank. I don't care.
Anybody else?
I've
Junior
never
Mints?
actually
We
had
got an A
Junior
and a
Mints is dirty. That's dirty.
Who the fuck is? Who is buying that? Like, get out my face, bro. You're not
Sorry.
buying this. Quit lying to me, bro.
I'm
You're not
not-
buying
yeah,
this.
you're
Why are
right.
you
I'm
40
not-
I
years
said it's
old,
not
bro?
going in A. Like, quit copying.
It's old
Ain't no way
man
just
candy,
said
bro.
So we put these shits in stank. This
Definitely
crazy.
Put it in stank. No way, no one buying that shit.
I actually
Fuck
just
no.
forgot. I thought Junior Mints was the only miss. We just put Andy's up there in A.
Andy's is up. Andy's actually fired. That shit, hell no.
Okay.
Fuck no.
Kinder Bueno.
I never had it.
I never had it
Cool,
either.
Abyss.
Never had it.
Nigga, OG Kit Kat.
I fucked the Kit Kat. I put
That's
that
just a
solid B.
solid A for me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
regular. I put the solid A, B.
for me.
I'm cool with that.
I wouldn't put it
He don't
past
fuck
the
with
C.
Kit Kat. Yeah, he don't fuck with Kit Kat.
Especially like the
damn.
OG. I wouldn't put it
I
past
like
the C.
cake. I think the only. Wait, is that the OG Kit Kat?
Yeah, OG
Yes,
Kit
regular.
Kat.
I say it's
That's
B. I say it's B.
The only Kit Kats I
put
fuck with is
what?
some fucking cherry
Yeah,
blossom
bro, you
ones,
know
whatever
what? I
the fuck
want
those shit
that,
is.
yeah.
I like the green
Curl
tea ones
ones.
too. I like the green tea ones
That's
too.
all
Talking about the
That's
some
great.
curl ones.
All the flavors that's not basic is good to me.
Bro,
Yeah,
Japan got like
Kit
2
Kat
million
Kit Kat got good
fucking
flavors, bro. It's really the same shit.
Lifesavers, bro. Them
I like the
shits
gummies.
The
I like the
gummies,
gummies.
those specifically hit like
Bro, I fuck with the
motherfucker.
gummies heavy.
If y'all put
No,
hit
it's-
fire, I ain't gonna hold
It's
y'all.
the hard ones. It's the hard ones.
I'm
It
not
ain't-
gonna
it ain't
hold
the
you.
gummies.
We could say fucking these are soft ones.
If those are the
Nigga,
soft
nigga.
ones,
Cause
if
they ain't
those
got the gummies in here. They don't
I
got the
fuck with the
gummies.
softies, bro. The soft
The
ones.
gummies go crazy.
yeah, and the soft
I
ones
love-
is
I
way
love
better than
gummies in general.
Haribo for
That's
me. Those way
Facts.
better than
No,
Haribo.
that is- I
Gummies
low-key
go
agree with that.
hard. If it
I
was the
low-key agree
gummies,
with
they'd
that.
be an S.
Man, what you mean?
Mike and Ike. Where we putting some Mikey Ike.
Mike Nice hits. So
That's
A or
the
B.
thing.
I like
Mike
that
are
one.
mid.
It's solid.
Mike and Ike are
It's solid.
super mid for me.
Oh, that flavor
I don't like them
specifically?
at all.
Well, yeah, it's different flavors though. To be fair, but I get what
Are
you're
We
saying.
can just say overall. We can just say
I like the
overall.
blue. Bitch,
Overall,
I like
that's
the
my
blue box,
go-to
bro.
movie stack.
I
That's
like
my
the
go-to
blue box.
movie
Blue box
snack.
is the best one. I don't care. The blue one, nigga. That's the best.
That's
one.
an A for me because that's my go-to movie snack. If I get movie candy, but I don't really eat candy like that.
Yeah,
But
Anybody
the
else
if I
want
box
to
is
weigh
like-
in?
if I do, that's my A. That's my go-to movie
Anybody
snack.
else want to weigh in? I'm saying that's just like a C for me.
I'm
We
cool
got
with
two
B. I'm
A's.
cool
We
with
got
B.
I get
we got
a
an
B.
A, a B, B.
Alright.
I
Anything
do
else to
not
say?
like artificial. I don't like pure artificial flavor shit.
It's like
Everything in this
Hoppers.
bitch is artificial.
What are you talking about?
No.
This is
there's
America.
like natural. There's a natural ingredient
Oh,
mixed with
fuck.
artificial, and then there's pure fucking artificial.
Nigga,
Nigga, like I said,
wait,
everything
plastic.
is just
Plastic.
You can't
artificial.
go out and find a motherfucker airhead. You
Nigga,
gotta make that shit.
brown, nigga, what is this? M&M's.
You gotta do the
Which
same
one?
thing with
Brown
chocolate. What are you
M&Ms,
talking
bro.
about? Everything on here.
Nigga, Milk Duds. Where y'all putting Milk Duds?
Big
C.
does hit.
I low-key
These
like
shits
Milk
are
Duds.
these shits
I
are
low-key
stank
like
for
Milk
me.
Duds. I'm not
Dang,
gonna lie.
Milk Duds are stank
I
for
don't
me.
like Milk Duds, bro.
I low-key
Milk
like
Duds are
them.
D
Like
for
low-key,
me,
those
bro. I ain't
are
gonna
like
lie.
my guilty
turbo charger
pleasure.
right there.
I'll put
I
it in
put
C
them
though.
in
I don't like
stank.
them that much. I'll put
I
it in
don't know what
C.
those
I
are.
enjoy
We
them.
got
What
C
that's
and
for.
3 stanks. Them shits
Well, that's one of the that's
empty.
fine.
It's
No,
empty.
put this thing. Niggas 3 stank. Put this in stank. It's fine. I ain't tripping.
Nigga, I don't know what M&Ms
That's
is.
all. That's almond. That's almond. Put in stank.
Almond.
All
Alright,
M&Ms are a
Yes.
D. It can't go over a D for me.
all of these are D and
M&Ms?
it's the
Nah,
peanuts, bro. I'm not gonna
No,
hold you.
Wait, because I
No,
think
no.
I like the protein M&Ms. Those actually fire.
Just-
I ain't gonna
Oh,
lie to
I
you.
didn't even know that
we
was a
we
thing.
gonna go- we
I don't know
we-
which one the pretzel, but pretzel's in the
Classic
bitch.
M&Ms
Pretzel's
Alright.
fire.
bro. Classic
No,
M&Ms
pretzel is
to me
blue,
are
camera.
solid A.
Pretzel is fire. I did as don't give a fuck. Pretzel's the best one.
All right,
Dead
we'll
ass
go
don't
down
give a
the
fuck.
line. All right, crispy fucking
That sound nasty.
M&Ms.
Put in D. That sound
D or
gross.
stank.
If nobody had them, they in the
Yeah.
abyss.
What is that? Caramel?
I don't know. It's in the abyss. If we don't know what
Yeah.
it is, fucking
is that,
dark
caramel?
chocolate M&Ms.
No, nigga, that's
D
not
or
nasty. Put
stank?
in
Nigga, these are the best. Nobody chimed up for them. Normal
Regular-
M&Ms.
I put them in like D. I eat them.
D or stank.
These are C for me.
Well, yeah, I guess I'd C because I eat them. D is why I won't eat. So yeah, I put them in C.
Anybody else want to
'Cause I'd
chime in?
eat those.
Got 2 seconds. All right, then C.
D for me.
C pass for me.
All right.
S.
Peanut M&Ms are
Peanuts are also C too.
A for me.
I take peanut ones unironically.
Peanut
Those are pretty
M&Ms
good.
are A for me.
They're a D for me.
We got a D.
I put those
we
in B. I put those in B.
I just
I
don't.
put
Do, I just don't do
peanuts.
nuts
A.
and chocolate, bro. I can't.
Well, I don't either, but
Y'all
these are the
turn
only ones I
the
actually
phone to let me
enjoy.
know, please.
But that's
got
because
peanut
the chocolate
butter
isn't soft.
M&Ms.
Unless it's
Well,
camera.
It's too much. No, those are gross. It's too much peanut butter.
There you go. All right,
My
Cameron,
pretzel, that's
M&M.
more than A. I fucks this one heavy.
I never had it.
If you
Yeah,
like,
put 'em in.
if you like flips like the chocolate covered pretzels, that's really what that is. Those are good to me.
We'll put it in B since nobody else can
B is
chime
fair.
up for
I'm
'em.
cool with that. I'm cool with that.
Almond Joys, bro.
Stank, 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 stank.
Yeah, but this is that's
Who
motherfucking
else,
coconut.
bro?
This is
Go
the main.
ahead.
This
Go
is
ahead,
no.
chime in. Where the Almond Joy nigga at? Who is it?
Big KO,
This is the main reason why I hate
Ciroc,
coconut.
It got natural flavors.
And don't think we don't know how to weed them out.
I say this is the reason why I hate coconut.
Coconut.
Nigga, it's just
Yeah,
not
no,
good.
that-
Fuck
that
coconut.
shit-
This
yeah,
shit
that
is
shit-
foul. I'm
Right
just
here.
buying that, bro. Like, it's
Oh,
pissing
shit.
me
But,
off.
nigga, your
No.
girlfriend,
Yeah, you're right. I'm a
Right
killer.
there.
nigga, Milky Way.
I used to love Milky Way.
Man,
They're
we
gross.
got
now.
some-
OG Milky Way, I fucked with heavy. It was one of my favorites.
I
when
did,
was
but
a
now they're
kid.
gross. Put that.
My
Nigga,
grandma loved Milky Way.
I used to love them
I
as a
hated
kid,
them
but
shits.
as
I
a
hate
Milky,
Milky
put
Way.
them
As
bitches
a-
in D.
I mean, most of
Ain't
most of the shit I'm kind of doing halfway, like me being a
Oh,
kid,
yeah,
because I
of
wouldn't
course,
buy
yeah.
candy right now.
yeah, I
Oh yeah,
definitely
of course,
So-
yeah.
I give it a minimum of a B, but I fucked with it heavy.
Nah, I used to like it, but even growing up, these kind of foul.
This shit's a
I can
D
close my
for me.
door
I'm
right
not
Yeah,
gonna
I'll
hold
say
you.
D. I'm sorry. I put that in D.
That's too much caramel, bro.
It's just caramel. I don't want it. No. It's caramel and nougat. Like it's too soft. Ugh, I
Anybody
don't
else got
I ain't
anything to
gonna
say?
hold.
I'm gonna take
I
that
ain't
as
gonna
a
hold you
no.
like I hate them too. Like
Alright,
put
well, that's
all
just
them in
a
D.
D. There you go.
know. Is that dark chocolate
Nigga,
chip or worse?
this dark chocolate Milky Way.
Yeah,
Fuck
that's
that.
worse.
Fuck
Yeah.
that.
That's
Now later.
Nine laters,
bro.
nigga.
Now
God
laters, yeah.
damn.
Now later,
Now
shit.
later, bro.
I'm
Here's
not
the
gonna
thing,
cap.
bro.
I would low key put them at S. I fuck with
bro.
them heavy.
Bro, yeah, y'all
I
ever
would low
had
key put them at S, bro.
y'all ever had the other ones, bro?
Now
The soft now laters.
What that mean?
I forget what
They're
I
like-
forget
they're
what
like
they call.
softer.
You know. Yeah, y'all don't talk
Later
about them
Ronaldo?
shits. Those
Oh.
shits hit, bro. Those shits hit.
I like them in
So-
general though. I'm like, them low key S for me because I would just like buy a big ass container and eat them like.
I ain't gonna hold you.
I fucking not
Nigga,
let it
get
me.
the Corey Kinship
Like-
Classic.
Man, get the big ass glass container, nigga. That's some fat shit.
Like the experience of Nine Laters back in the day, being able to buy them motherfuckers for like
For a quarter,
Oh, yeah,
nigga.
Yeah.
you got
A
to do that
quarter.
for a
Oh my
quarter, bro.
god.
that experience, like as a
Alone.
total package,
What them shits called, bro?
is S tier.
That's what I'm
But
saying. Like,
if
you
you-
could get annihilators. You could get a little hug, a bag of chips, nigga, and some fruities, nigga. You set, bro. I'm not gonna cap. Like, what? Oh my god.
but if we going by taste,
Yeah,
They're-
bro.
they're pretty good.
These shits, bro. I was
Yeah, I'm
just
saying.
asking,
Oh,
okay, these, yeah,
those.
these,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, okay, nah, fuck with
Bro,
those.
these
I can fuck with
shits
those, yeah.
hit. You ain't gotta break your teeth chewing on these hoes, bro. This shit was. Ooh.
I don't
Breaking
chew
your
on those.
teeth
I
is half
just
the
let them out of
fun.
my mouth.
Nah, I know that's what I'm saying. You can suck
did
on
I
them or
say
you can chew on them
Negro?
with
What
these
the
shit.
fuck is
bro.
that? Negro.
Dude.
What is
What
that?
the fuck? Menthol.
up.
What the
What
fuck
Huh?
is this?
Nah,
That's
don't
just that
smile on
menthol,
me.
nigga.
What is he
I know what you did.
holding?
It's a chimney cleaner.
That's so fucking random.
Oh, never mind. It's not American. Never mind.
It's
That makes
it's
sense.
menthol flavored syrup filled
Yeah.
hard
Yeah.
candy.
It's not American. That's what I look
Yeah, European product store.
No.
Okay.
Oh,
That
cool.
still
Thanks.
makes
the
no
name-
sense.
wait,
No, yeah, hold on, no, fuck
What's
that.
the name of
That's
that?
good.
Wait, what's the name
Alright.
of that?
Yeah.
They knew what they was doing. Fuck
Nigga,
them.
don't worry about it. All right,
give it
now
S
laters,
tier.
where we going?
I'll give them that letter S tier. I'm sorry. I
Now
feel
there's
like
like an A for me.
I
Nah,
get
I'll eat
I
those.
give it a B.
The fact that there was a
Like-
quarter, I don't care. Bro.
Like the overall
Mikey
nostalgia.
says-
But if we
the
going by
nostalgia is
taste,
carrying. I ain't gonna. Nostalgia is carrying. I'm not gonna hold you. That
Nah,
shit.
for real.
yeah.
A quarter, nigga.
All right, a payday.
Nigga, that shit D.
Heyday.
That shit D. That shit not good, bro.
I don't fuck with paydays
Alright.
I
either.
don't either. That shit
Be
foul.
honest.
All right, I got
Yeah,
I
that's
got
stank.
Yeah, stank-
I'm gonna
yeah,
take
stank
it
is fair.
if I hear three niggas say something stank
Oh,
and nobody
shit.
chime up for it, that shit just going to
Yeah,
stank.
that's
I'm not
true.
gonna hold you.
yeah, I like
Raisinets.
that stink.
That's his stank.
there
Thank
there
you.
you go.
Don't even question this next one.
Nigga, put that shit in there.
Nigga, black licorice,
Leave
bro.
no, just leave it there, bro. That shit enter. Fuck that. I don't care. don't with that whole.
Dirty
This
deer.
ain't candy, nigga, bro.
It's
That
not.
is
It's
not,
fucking
bro.
medicine, bro.
That's not candy, bro.
No,
Whoever says
fuck
it
him
was-
down.
Red
I say
Hots.
if-
It's hot tamales. It's the
Deer
same
stank.
shit. Stank. That shit going to stank.
Yeah.
It's literally the same
Red
shit.
Vines. Red Vines
That's
are
it.
okay, but it's like a
Nigga,
D.
That shit is the worst Twizzler. Like, no.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like a D.
I don't fuck with licorice at all, so it's a stink.
It's
for
literally
me.
the worst Twizzler.
That's what I'm like. It ain't stink, but it's
Fuck.
alright, nigga.
What the
Off
fuck is
burn.
Reese's shit?
We just gonna start off with basic Reese's cups.
Reese,
bro.
basic Reese's to me is a good.
Basic
B,
Reese's to me is an
It's a
S.
good
I'm not
solid
gonna hold
B.
you.
Yeah, it's a S.
It's a S
Reese's
for me.
basic
Oh, S.
Reese's to
I'm
me
cool with
is
S.
S.
I'm cool with S.
S for me.
I'm
Because
cool with
even
S.
Yes,
every
S.
single Reese's flavored thing is good still. So
I won't say every. I'm not a big fan of Reese's Pieces, but yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, that's why I'm like Reese's
And I love
cups
peanut
are
butter. I
S
don't
for
know.
me.
Yeah, no, facts. So I'm cool with
Anybody
that.
disagree?
You a bit so.
No.
Yeah, Reese's cups are just S.
The sticks like
all
pretty
right.
good. So I
No,
ain't gonna lie,
the
but-
sticks.
but-
The
yeah.
stick is fire. So
It's
the-
legit. But
Is
that-
you
is
say
that-
Nutty Buddy? Is that what you said?
yeah,
It's
it's literally just like a
this
better
is
nutty
like
buddy.
extra peanut butter.
Wait, is it like the opposite? Is like peanut butter on the outside?
No,
chocolate
no,
on
no,
the
no, no,
inside?
no, no, no. It's
Or is it all
like
peanut butter?
the top half is peanut butter with peanut butter
Oh,
inside, but the lower half is chocolate.
I like peanut butter a lot. But
So it's
nigga,
just
I
more
ain't gonna lie.
peanut butter, but nobody ever had it. So
Yeah,
Reese's Pieces are like
C.
a D or it's
That's
like a
low key a
C.
D.
I
A
put
C,
it
This
D.
is
I
like a
don't
C
know.
or
C for me. So
yeah. I'm like that's like
yeah,
a C.
yeah. I'll put it M&M.
I eat these over everything in here.
Yeah. That's facts. That's facts.
Now the
Hey,
sticks.
Reese's
Oh, the
sticks. I never
sticks?
had them.
The sticks hit.
okay,
It's
so
an A
here-
for me.
I'm pretty sure you've ate a nutty buddy before.
Mm-hmm.
It's legit better than nutty buddy. I'm not gonna hold you. That's
Oh,
all
Oh,
it
it's
is.
better.
It's a
To
better.
me, it's better
It's
because
a,
it's-
no,
it's- wow.
easily it's
because
a better.
it's like the Reese's peanut butter. So that alone is better than.
It's
Where y'all
a-
putting it?
it's an A for me. Like I would eat it over everything.
No,
in
that
V.
it's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
And
I'm
everything.
gonna
in
love
A.
that shit.
Nobody
I'm gonna love
chimed
that
in,
shit.
so there
I'm
you
cool
go.
with that.
What is
Yo,
that?
Rolo.
I like
Rolo.
Rolo.
Did
I
that-
put them in B.
What the
I
fuck
actually like
is-
Rolos.
What the fuck
That's
is
the circle
Snickers?
shit.
Oh, I
Yeah, with
see
the
it.
caramel
Snicker,
and shit.
bro. Snickers is like chilling, bro.
It's like, nigga, you know where I'm
That shit
going.
was low key.
I like Rolos
Rolo.
though. I put them in solid B.
I never really had them, but I think I had them like once and then
They're pretty
just
good.
didn't
I
stick
enjoy
with
them.
me.
No, that's fair. Yeah, it's not a lot, but it's just
It's-
something
it-
simple. Pop in your mouth. I'll put
But
that.
just saying,
I
In.
probably
Put
do
that in
C.
C. Put it in C.
C.
Yeah, put it in C.
All right, I am ready.
I send over hot
blue
tamales.
Skittles are fire.
Purple?
I
I
like-
mean, purple
I like
Skittles.
Skittles in
Yeah.
general. I don't know. I'll focus Skittles.
It's hard
on
for
that.
Skittles to drop below a B for me, honestly.
Most of them says Skittles are
Like
all
almost
pretty
every
good.
single Skittles is
They'll put these
a B.
bitches in
at
B.
Yeah, I'll put them
least.
up in B. I'm cool with both of them.
Who
in
had
B.
fucking score?
Nigga, that sounds fire. Put that S.
What the fuck?
sounds fire for me, bro.
That sound like a D&D name.
Bro, look at this shit.
Is it toffee? What is that? It
Oh,
looks
that's
like
toffee?
it's not like toffee.
It says
Oh, it's
dark,
Hershey's.
it says
Oh.
dark chocolate / chip butter toffee.
That-
Crisp butter
Ooh.
toffee.
If I had it,
Ooh.
I'm pretty
Yeah, I'm
sure
sure
I
it'd
would
be
love
fire.
it.
I never
Pretty
had
sure
it.
I
So
love it.
Yeah.
just put it never had it because
It says milk chocolate with crisp butter toffee.
I'd try that. But for now, I just put it never had because
Yeah, never had. I'm pretty sure
That's just-
hypothetically it'd probably be like a B for me at least.
Yeah.
But
Snickers is
Snickers
S.
for me is ass. I don't care.
yeah,
I'm
it's a
sorry.
S. I'm
Snickers
not
is
arguing.
S. Nobody arguing.
That peanut butter is like a
These are
solid.
peanut butter Snickers.
It's
I
like
never
it's
had
like
it.
a B. It's like a BC. It was sick as hell though.
I never had it.
I'll put that bitch in. Put it
My
in
thing,
C.
I see now. I'm like, why would you touch perfection?
I was like, I like peanut butter. I'm a nigga. This looking
That's
worse.
valid.
I'll put it in C. Like it's a lot though.
Y'all know the
Alright.
only Snickers that's better than regular Snickers is the
No,
Snickers
I
ice
don't.
cream bar.
Oh, bro.
Right.
bro.
No, you're right. You're
I
right.
kill
You're
for it. I'm
right.
not gonna lie.
Nah,
I would
you're
deadass kill
right.
for them,
You're-
bro.
You,
Damn,
you,
I want some. Bro, I gotta be
you-
poor, but I
bro.
thought about some, bro.
you had me in the first half. I'm not gonna
Yo,
hold
what
you.
you talking about? What's better than okay ice cream? No, what?
You
I
had me
gotta
in
be
the
poor,
first
bro.
half.
Damn, I go buy some. I don't care about fat, bro.
What you mean?
Bro, Sour Patch watermelon is actually kind of hit for me.
I like the watermelon ones.
I like the watermelon ones more than the normal one.
I don't know about that one though.
I will say that. I know it's biased. It's weird.
No, that's
but
fair.
I'll
They're
say
both
that.
good, but the normal ones just hit. I would put the watermelon like a.
Both Sour Patches.
I'd say the
Like, they're
watermelon.
both good for
That's
sure.
A for me.
I'm not a huge fan of sour candy, period. But they're both
I'm not
still
either, but Sour
not below a
Patches are
B.
different.
Nothing's below a B for me for Sour Patch.
I'll put Sour Patch. Like the watermelon would be at B, then regular. It'd be an A for me. Personally. I like regular more.
I think I
That's
would
just
agree
B
with
though.
that.
We could try here.
And then there's A.
I think
Yeah,
I
that's
can agree with
me
that.
personally. I like regular ones a
Nigga,
lot.
sprees, bro. I had spree in a minute.
I've seen what is that? I've seen all the
I
time.
barely
Yeah,
remember
what
the spree.
the fuck? Not the spree.
that sound old as shit. I know it is.
Nigga, I don't know
Who the
that
hell is
Really? You gotta be
dude?
What the
fucking
fuck?
me.
Damn,
Bro,
who's
these
that nigga?
shits.
I've seen him
These-
before. What is it though?
I used to throw them at people, bro.
Yeah, like they
Bro,
look hard as shit.
That was
I have
ammo.
a spree in a minute.
Them hoes
I'm
like
a believer.
them look like fucking sweet tarts with hockey, nigga.
It's
You
low
said
key like chewy sweet
with
tarts.
hockey?
Sweet
That's what
tarts
they look like, bro.
hockey.
I'm not gonna cat, bro.
I go hold you. These were okay. I put
Oh,
these on like
damn.
a C.
They like a C.
I think it is a C.
I would try them. They don't look bad, but
It's like how do I describe it?
I'm gonna say because I know it's
You
like
know,
some
like
hard
Skittles,
candy.
it's kind of like Skittles.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like a thicker Skittle.
Oh, damn, that's a lot. God damn. You gonna
Yeah.
be chewing them
Yeah.
hoes.
No, yeah,
You gonna be chewing like that now.
it's literally just a thick Skittle.
I'll try it though.
No,
I'm
it's
cool
not
with
bad. It's just I'm like I eat like a couple of hours, I'm done.
All right. Well,
Okay.
we already know. We already know this one.
Starburst is
that
ass.
shit is straight.
Mhm.
Nigga, pink or red alone. Oh my
Pink
god,
and
bro.
red, bro. I don't
Them is
care.
all about, especially pink,
Oh
bitch.
shit, that's useful.
Pink was so fire. These niggas made a whole candy dedicated
Yeah,
to this
they
people.
was like, all right, all pink,
all
all
pink,
red.
and it was
nigga,
it's so
bet-
fire, bro.
They got all pink, all red.
That shit
Yep,
is so
pick which
good,
one
bro.
y'all want. All right, Swedish fish. I think
These
is
are
like a,
a-
that's like a
Bruh.
B for me.
yeah,
Real-
these are
real-
strong steak. I hate Swedish fish. They're not good to me.
Back on.
Swedish fish are B
Starburst.
for me.
Real quick.
Really?
Y'all remember like in
These
school
hoes used to be a
and
nickel, bro.
you used to get the little 2-pack of Skittles because it was somebody's birthday or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Bro, and you got a red and a pink in one pack,
Yeah.
bro.
Nigga,
yeah.
That's
My
the
day
first
was
five
made.
star, bro.
My day was
You
made
hit
with
the
that shit,
jackpot.
bro.
You hit the
My day,
jackpot.
no, because
Bruh.
we get them hoes in art class. And she my thing art hell Starburst.
And then
at the
you-
end of
nah,
class,
bro.
if you being good, she passed them out. Nigga, I got rid of pink. My day was made, bro. I was on
For
I was
real,
on
bro?
pink geeking, bro.
That's it.
Your day over when you get 2 yellows, bro.
But it's like they're all good.
Yellows,
But,
bro.
bro,
You mad as hell, bro.
I
You
don't
get 2
understand.
yellows,
Nah.
throwing them bitches at somebody.
It's like, and the crazy thing is it's not bad.
They're all good. That's
It's
just
just
they're all
in
good.
comparison to
Red and pink
Yeah,
is so
yeah.
deep,
it's
bro.
bad.
It's literally peak versus peak. It's
Like if I'm saying nigga or yellow, like, bro, I eat it, I
Alright.
guess, but I mean,
It's
Right.
like, do you want
Sweet-
$100,000 or do you want $1 million?
just
Like,
fine.
I'm
Man,
fine
that's-
with
that's all
both,
that
but
is.
I'm upset with $1 million.
Complaining, but- All right,
Yeah,
Swedish
I need
fish.
just
This is a
one.
I
solid
hate
B
these.
for me.
I don't
This is
like
solid
licorice, so it won't go over a C for me.
Swedish
That's,
I'll put them
that's
in
my
stank.
favorite
I hate
form of
Swedish fish.
licorice, but
I
I
fuck
still
with
don't fuck with it.
Swedish fish. I fucked with them
I hate
heavy.
Swedish
I
fish.
don't know. Rashad got off.
I put them in stank person. I don't
So
care.
we got
I
a stank, a
put them in
C, and a B. We'll put
C.
them in B.
Yeah, it's fine. Or D,
Let's
whatever
see.
one is. Okay, that's cool.
That
Sweet
tarts?
that's
I like sweet
completely
tarts.
fair.
I'm
I
not
don't
lying.
like sweet
Yeah,
tarts.
I like sweet tarts.
I'm a
It
the
tastes like
local
sour
person.
chalk.
Yeah, it was like exactly. I was
It
like,
tastes like sour chalk.
I did not fuck with chalk shit like at all.
Well, these are almost actually did fuck with. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was. Well, no. I didn't even eat it. I used to question most
Did
of
any
it
of y'all
was.
have a
like the milk
chalkboard in
powder.
school?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Me?
did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I
know,
did, yeah.
actually.
I did it like kindergarten.
I was
And then
actually,
we got
I
the
actually
regular.
never had one. Now I think
in
about
fourth
it.
grade.
We had a kindergarten, but after that, we got the
I
dry
did
erase
in
at that
fourth,
point. We
third,
upgraded.
first, and second grade.
We got dry erase and then upgraded to the digital.
Yep.
That's a
I always
different
had the
nigga.
dry erase, bro.
We had dry erase and digital. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, bro.
The
Yeah,
Kindergarten
yeah,
had chalk.
yeah.
I'm just
Those
gonna
young
s-
kids,
what we
bro.
put in
Y'all
sweet
don't know how
tarts.
it was, bro.
Nigga had it. Fuck you.
C,
We put in sweet tarts.
C.
I'm
I
saying that's
was-
just like a
Nigga, that's
It's just
just
like a D for me.
That's a D. I put
C or D?
well, that's
I'm
like
fine
a
with
D
D.
for me.
Yeah.
I
They
don't
got
know.
Reese's
Yeah.
Take 5.
Take 5 is, bro, that hit.
Take 5 is that sounds.
That hit, bro. I ain't gonna hold you.
What? Hold on. It was like chocolate. It was like pretzel.
Yeah.
It was a lot of shit. Because
Chocolate
it was
pretzel,
five, it was
peanut
5 things
butter.
in that bitch. That's all I know.
Like, so when I
Those are
figured,
decent too, unironically. It was like a lot, but it was decent. I'm not gonna
when
lie.
I figured out
Whoa,
about
that
it,
is a
they
lot.
stopped.
What the fuck?
When I figured out about it, they stopped making them. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, because these actually weren't bad. I
These
had
just
it.
look kind of crazy.
It's like pretzel. Yeah, it's some shit in
It's
there.
It's
just
like
like
pretzel peanut butter.
The pretzel alone is oh shit. I
That
don't
shit
know.
actually looks
Yeah.
fire. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
the
it's,
sweet
it
and
was like
sour
salty
peanut?
and sweet. Yeah, it was a nice
yeah,
little
that-
mix, bro.
Peanut butter and caramel? What the fuck?
Nah, because I remember when at Halloween, I thought this was 100 grand because I seen red.
Yes,
oh,
bro. I never
I'd
ate
eat this
them,
shit.
bro.
And I was like, I'm
Yeah,
buying this shit. I was like, oh, these actually kind of fire. It was like salty and sweet. It was
This
a nice
shit's
little
going
mix.
crazy.
It was decent. I'm not gonna lie.
I ain't
Yeah,
gonna hold
put
you.
it.
I put it over almost every single chocolate when I rate it. So A.
I would
or-
definitely put that in as a solid B.
Have
I'm
you
not gonna
actually
lie.
had it, Harold?
Yes,
Okay. Where we putting it?
Yeah, I'll put,
I put
a
it in
B.
the
I'll
A.
put that in a
I-
solid B.
I have it
A,
over
A is
everything.
fine. A is fine. I've had it a minute. That's only Bill.
I
I've had it a
want.
few times.
I eat it over everything in A. So
Yeah, I had a Reese's Take 5.
I've never had a Reese's Take 5. That sounds pretty
If
decent.
if I had
though.
to guess, it'd
Bro.
probably be the same.
Yeah, just
but
better
yeah.
peanut butter.
3,
Probably.
see, bro, 3 Musketeers, I fucks with
Ain't that
heavy.
ain't that just chocolate and
It's
nougat?
literally just chocolate and nougat.
Yeah, I'll pass. I'll put that in D.
Like,
mean,
bro, it's just chocolate and nougat, bro.
that shit is the same thing as Milky Way. I ain't a fan of neither one. So
No,
that's
it's
one of
better
them.
than Milky Way, bro.
They're both foul. I don't know.
Nah,
I'm cool.
Milky Way just has caramel and nougat.
Yeah, that's it. Like,
and
bro,
in my opinion, that's better. So it's either
Nah,
C or
bro.
D for
They
me.
got too much caramel, bro.
It's C or D for me.
yeah, I'm
That
sorry.
shit, that
This
shit
like
is
more higher than the C.
ass for me, bro.
Ass is
ass?
That
crazy.
shit
Really?
is ass
And
for
You
me.
capping? You dead as shut up. You
I'm
capping?
lying,
Yeah,
bro.
no, I don't believe it. I'm
A
sorry.
Three
bro,
Musketeers a S.
I've never
hear
heard
me
that.
out, bro. Hear me out, right?
You hear me?
Bro, y'all remember when I worked at Kroger?
Mm-hmm.
Every fucking break, I was fucking up a Three Musketeer, nigga.
You must get teared though. Like damn.
That was a Three Musketeers, some flavor hot popcorn, nigga. That was my lunch snack,
Nigga,
bro.
yeah, that's how it's about right now. I'm thinking about it.
Ah, fuck them
The
bitches
hot
up,
popcorn,
bro.
you're right.
That's why I'm like, I'm not lying when I say that shit is like a.
I'm
I'll say
sorry,
it's
I'm
I'll bring
sorry.
it down to an A.
Nigga,
like, that's
huh?
a
We said D. You got me fucked up. Put this shit in C, dickhead. Ain't no way. Or a C or B.
That's a
One
C,
of those
bro.
two.
Nigga go
This
C.
nigga said, I guess I'll go A. Like, nah, nigga.
All right, it's
What
only
is
one
this?
other S I think I'll fight for.
Nigga, this is Tool Chrome. Nigga,
Oh,
get out my
Toblerone.
face.
It's a Toblerone.
Oh, it is a Toblerone.
Yeah.
You're right.
It
I
was
never
from
had
no
'em.
anime. It's from
I
no
never
anime.
had
That's
'em.
all I know. From Neo Yokio. I never had
Never
it though,
had
but
it.
I know nigga like it. Bitches like it.
Trolly's like a solid A for
I low
me.
key don't mess with trolls. I don't know. I don't
I'll
like
put
sour.
them wherever y'all put
gummy.
Haribo. I ain't gonna hold you. I
I
don't think
don't think
Haribo's that
I
crazy.
don't
for me.
think
S.
I don't think they're going there. So I'm not. Gonna
It's a gummy though. In terms
I
of gummy,
mean, I
I
know
like
it's a
them. I like
gummy,
them
but-
way better than Haribo.
Well, I know, but wait, are these the sour ones, right? Or the regular ones? I don't
Yeah.
know.
All
Those
Trolly
sour
are
ones?
sour.
Yeah, I don't
Oh,
like
those
the
are the
I don't like the
sour
sour
ones. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't like the sour ones. Yeah.
All Trolly is sour.
Yeah, I don't like the sour
Really?
ones.
Yes, all Trolly is
Oh
sour
yeah,
shit.
yeah. But they're not, there's like a theirs is a
They have
way.
different kinds, but it's all sour.
It's not
I don't.
like
I don't like the sour ones
as
though. I don't know.
crazy. Like no. It's still
I would put those in B because I definitely eat sour patch kids over those any day. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I eat those over.
Me
I'm the
personally, I mean,
opposite.
if it's
I'm
an
the
A, then it's an A.
opposite.
It's cool. I eat it. Don't get me wrong.
You could put an A.
A is fine.
The sour patch kids
Yeah.
is just too sour for me.
Normal
It's
ass
not like
Twinkies.
unbearable, but you know.
Which is my favorite candy bar. I put that in S. I don't give a
Normal
fuck.
ass
Is-
Twinkies.
That's normal Twix. Normal
Twix is my
Twix is
favorite.
fire.
Twix is my favorite candy.
You
I
see-
put that in S easily.
You said
I don't
S.
think Twix is an
That's
S
my favorite
for me.
candy bar of all time.
Twix is like a B for me.
That's an S for me. I'm sorry. That's an S.
I think it's an A for me. I fucked with it,
I
but
ain't
I
gonna
just
hold
stopped.
you.
That's my favorite candy bar.
I used to tear those shits up, bro. Oh my
The
god.
cookie, nigga, the cookie,
Nah,
and I'm like, bro, that shit's different. I don't care.
See, I'm hella particular with Twix, bro. The
Especially
bite size Twix I fuck with.
You said which ones?
The bite size shits.
Ooh, those
Like
are
the
good. You
Halloween
right.
one?
Ooh, those
'Cause you
are
can
good.
just
You
pop the whole
right.
thing in your mouth,
Yeah,
bro.
those are
You
actually
out
good.
here.
You're right about that.
hmm
I don't care. So it's an S, but you're right about that one for sure. Yeah, I ain't think about that.
It sounds like it's
I
gonna
think- I
even
think-
out to an A.
Hey, it's fine. I don't care.
that's
That's my
valid.
favorite candy bar.
Dark
I
chocolate Twix.
never had the other ones though, so I don't know. I don't like the regular ones. I'm not gonna cut.
Nigga sell white.
Them next
Nigga
two
dark.
are stank
Yeah,
for me.
nigga.
Don't
Yeah.
don't rate those, nigga. Put them back with the other ones. You can be fucked up.
Oh
Those
yeah,
are
you're
black.
right.
No, I don't know what that is.
Twizzlers is like a.
It's a
Man.
D.
It's a stank
Yeah,
for
it's
me.
a- yeah,
Nah,
it's a
if it
D.
was a certain Twizzler, it was like red and yellow, and it was like
I know
a
what you are. They
chocolate side
like
of them.
there was like
I love those.
Yeah.
Those are so good, but they made the
There was like pull aparts.
Yeah, no, yeah, it was so good, but those are D. Those are like a
Warheads. If you like Warheads, you're lying.
I don't like the Warheads. That's solids. Put
Warheads
them
are
in
for
C.
You
psychopaths,
ate those
bro.
as a competition with other kids.
Literally,
No,
you
that's
don't
all
eat
it
those
was.
for fun.
That's
You
all
don't
that
eat those
was.
shits like bussin'.
That was
yeah.
all Russian roulette. Like
That ass, like no, bro. Nigga, Werther's originals. That's the
So,
grandma candy.
like I said,
Oh, those are the
this is
butterscotch. I actually like those on a
this
rocket.
is
Those are not
my
bad.
this is my combative S because this is
Those
the
are
guilty
decent. I'm
pleasure
not
of
gonna
your
cap.
girl.
Oh,
They're just smooth. I
Bro,
get it.
They're
It's
smooth.
smooth, though.
Yes, bro. They're smooth.
It's so smooth. I
It's
don't know what it
sweet.
is.
It's the only candy your grandma was gonna hold that you would take every single time that she offered.
Nah, that and the
Every
strawberry was
single
fucked
time.
up. And the strawberry ones too.
strawberries, bro.
Them bitches smack. The
You talking
strawberry
about the
bitches.
strawberry
Yeah.
candies. The
Nigga,
unnamed?
them shit on.
Yes, the
them
unnamed
shit on
strawberries. Them
Werther's, bro.
shits go
Them
crazy.
shit on
Thank
Werther's.
you.
I'm sorry, bro.
Thank you.
Them
Thank
shit on
you.
Werther's.
Yes.
Them
Yes.
they shit on Werther's.
Ain't
Yes.
no way.
Yes.
I
And
just
I
said
fucks
the
with
plain
bro. I'm sorry. They
unnamed
shit on
strawberry
Werther's,
Yup.
bro.
Yup.
candies.
That shit is
The
so
unnamed
far, bro.
Better than
strawberries
Werther's.
bussin', bro. I
They shit on
definitely
Werther's,
said.
I'm
I
sorry.
say it again. I scream
I
that
fucks with
shit.
Werther's too.
Crazy
Listen,
as
I fucks
hell.
with Werther's, but nah,
I
that strawberry was
scream
different,
that
bro.
shit, brother.
Yeah, bro, them motherfuckers
I'm
give me a
sorry, bro.
headache.
Them shits, baby. Oh,
It tastes like the wrapper.
Nigga, go on
That's
Twitter and ask.
gaming.
Go on Twitter and ask niggas and see what they gonna say, bitch.
I was
I don't give a
rattling
fuck
them
about what
bitches
they
in between my
say.
teeth.
Nah, nigga, go on Twitter and ask niggas, bro.
Nigga,
Like,
which one
I-
you fuck with?
I'd eat it, but bro, you had
For
to
real,
word this, bro.
I'm telling you, Ciroc, bro, I was sucking the fuck out of that bitch, bro. That
Nigga, I'll
shit
put that
so
in my
good.
dick. I don't care. That shit was so far, bro.
Hey,
I was
my-
chewing on them bitches like a collarbone, bro. I don't care.
Yeah, bro. Like, boy,
you what?
boy,
That didn't make sense.
Bro, that shit's so good.
boy.
You
Yeah,
was
so
chewing
what
on it
happened?
like a collarbone. I heard what your ass said. You
Nigga,
recorded.
Nigga, I have you at 200. I can hear everything you say.
Bitch,
nigga.
turn me down. Ain't that serious, bro?
Nah, it is because
The
you get away
Werther's
with
original and not the strawberry gods, bro. How they gonna have this shit and not the strawberry sweeties, bro?
Yeah, they kind
Like,
of
ain't
fucked
no
up. I
way.
ain't gonna lie.
That is fucked up.
Either way, I'll put Werther's in a strong A or B. I ain't gonna lie. I fucked Werther's.
Werther's is like a C for me.
Steve.
It's not like an average out to
Like,
It's
I'm not buying them shits.
I actually
I
bought
would
them.
100% buy those.
Yeah, I actually bought them.
But this is my go-to road trip candy. I'm pretty sure, like,
Yeah,
one of the times we went, almost every time we went to Chicago, I had these.
That's
I don't know, bro. Harold, I don't know why I thought you said this is like my go-to roach food. I'm like, what? What the fuck you eat roach food?
I love that shit.
Yeah,
Nah,
feed
but
the roach in my asshole.
I'm gonna say A.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna say A.
God.
I'm gonna say A. I'm gonna set up for A. Where's actually good? I'm gonna say A.
All right.
I actually buy those. Like, I don't
An
know.
average to A. What are you
Uh,
doing?
So,
That averages to A.
because he said they stay. Yeah.
Relevant. He went here for half the
Those
shit.
are good. Those are good. Those
I've
are
been
S.
here,
Put them
I've
in
been
S.
here. I just haven't
Thank
had
you,
most
bro.
of these.
Thank you. Thank you,
Nowhere,
bro.
I just haven't had most of these things. That's why I
Nigga,
haven't been here.
this shit's a B.
No, it's a, bro. It's a, you got two
It's
S's
not.
and an A. Two S's and an A.
Fuck
I
outta here.
putting the
I'd
word
say
in that.
C because I
Just
don't really like that
say
candy anymore, OG.
Putting what at?
Wait, you
Where
put
there's originals.
Musketeers at C?
Where there's originals.
Wait. Ain't no way y'all put Musketeers.
Thank you, bro.
Who
All right,
just did that?
thank you.
The same
It's
nigga.
not a fucking B either. Put that as fucking non-existing.
Nah.
That was an
Okay,
ass.
What?
How about this? Okay, but let me say this real quick.
I know.
So what our tier list?
Bitch.
Are we still doing the you choose your own personal S?
we can do
We
that.
can do that
I'll have to do
after.
that.
We can do that
Okay, yeah,
after.
Okay, after
Okay, well,
got
there
you.
you
I'm
go.
fine with that. I'm
Yeah.
fine with that.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, but you can't choose where there's original.
I don't care.
Fuck you. You can't use fucking
Honestly,
Musketeer.
fuck that. I want my personal stink one, bro.
Nigga,
Put
you ain't been here,
Musketeer
fuck
as
you.
stink, bro.
You
What
ain't
the
been here, fuck
Right.
you.
Ain't no way.
way?
I don't fuck with him either. I don't fuck with him either.
That
Yeah,
was
so
me.
therefore, I
That
understand.
was
That's
my ass,
you?
nigga.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
that was
was-
me.
I suck
Bro.
bro. I don't care.
Musketeer's trifling.
A Musketeer, bro, was
It's so
basically
foul. I'm
With them hoes, I don't care.
it was
You
basically
are
like
fucking tripping ball sacks,
I
bro.
choke on them
What the
shits. I don't
fuck?
care.
Nigga, this is coming from a guy that eat roaches. Like, fuck this
Bro,
nigga.
oh
No,
my
bro.
Why gotta eat damn? Why gotta eat roaches?
I'm just talking about when he ate a snake.
I don't care.
I'm talking about when he ate a fucking spider. But
That shit was busting too.
Shut the fuck
Bro,
up.
That shit. I eat a spider over at Werther's original. I go.
Bro, you crazy as
Wait,
hell, bro.
nigga, Musketeer. My nigga said I will eat. Is those Smarties down there? Or what is those? Sweet
yeah,
tarts?
These are sweet tarts.
You eat a sweet tart over a Musketeer?
Nigga, don't get on me. Everybody said sweet tarts was low, so don't do
It
that.
is low, but over a Musketeer?
Where do you put the musketeer?
Oh my god.
Yeah, see, that's a B. Suck my dick, bro.
No,
Oh
not
my
just saying
God.
big fuck that.
No.
You're not my
You
friends,
got,
bro. What
you
the
got,
hell?
no, you got 3 stains. What are you talking about?
Yeah, not three stacks, nigga. That's still insane.
That's
bro.
that's man, bro.
That's
You got
crazy.
3
I'm sorry. I'm
stains.
sorry. This
My
nigga's
piece of
better,
ass,
bro.
though.
Ain't no fucking way.
Nah, bitch, put that down.
Let's finish this, bro. Let's finish this. Let's finish this.
I thought it was generally was like, okay, Musketeers are gonna be F. Or steak or whatever. The fact that it's not is insane to me. What?
Show up bottle caps. You can't talk.
That is good. I can't say so, but you gotta get that point.
Nigga, this nigga
Alright.
fucking eat
What
fucking
the-
pizza,
what the-
but I hate
what
cheese.
is
Like, I don't give a
this?
fuck.
Oh, whatchamacall it?
Call it.
Yeah.
My mom love them hoes. I never had them though.
My
I never
mom
It's
had
a
them
D for
either.
me. It's a D
I never
for
had
me.
it. I
Alright,
literally
cool. There you
don't.
go. It's in there.
It's a D for me. I had him.
Shut up,
Too
nigga.
bad. I had it and
It's literally kind of like a Whopper. It's literally kind of like a Whopper.
I had it and I forgot it, so it's there.
That's actually crazy.
Whoppers. Who fucks
Those
with
are-
a Whopper?
those are-
I don't
those are
fuck
D.
with Whoppers.
D.
Those are
D.
D.
Strong
Those are
D.
deep. These are stank for me. I'm not gonna hold you.
That's like
You
my
can
boss.
put
thing.
whatchamacallit in the stank too. I'm cool with that. I'm not, because I'm not, I won't buy
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Thank
that's
you.
cool.
Whoppers are fucking garbage. Yorks I fuck with. Yorks
Okay.
is like a
Yeah,
solid
that's
B
a
for
C.
me.
That's a C.
C for me. I don't fuck
I
with
just
mint
don't like
chocolate
these
like
snacks, so I can't really say too much.
I mean,
That's
we
like
could put
solid
it. We
C.
could put it in like
They
C.
all
Now-
kind of stink.
Yeah, these are all the stank
that.
shits.
I don't know
like
what the
that,
fuck
bro.
that is.
My nigga said
like peak.
a Zignut.
That's on peak. I ain't gonna lie. Put that on S. They look white and shit.
Oh, it's a zero. I see these shits and I don't
It
know
was
what they
it was
are.
it's white chocolate and
I've
nougat, bro.
never had one of those bars
Yeah,
ever.
It's
seen
white.
these.
It's
I've
white. It's
never
white
had
chocolate
it.
and nougat. I've read it before. I was curious.
Yeah,
About
I'm like I've seen these. I've never had it.
it. They look cool as hell.
I never knew that
Whoa.
that was what's in
Yeah,
that.
it's white chocolate and nougat. Yeah.
I used to
Oh,
throw
I guess
them
you're
bitches.
right, too.
That was ammo for me. I tell you, I was a
What
bad kid.
the
I should just
fuck?
throw shit at people, bro.
These shits look whack.
Bro,
What the fuck?
They look pig. I ain't gonna lie.
I
This
blame
is
my school.
Spears.
It's literally just a Milky Way but white.
Nigga, this Gmod candy.
Yeah, bro. That's like a protein bar. I don't
Nah,
cap.
but these be
I'm
those
sorry,
type of
bro.
bars you eat
It's
in
like a protein
GTA.
bar. What the fuck?
They do like a protein
Alright,
bar.
cool.
And those on two.
All
Ain't
right.
count those two.
All right, so let's start. You want to start from the bottom, then go up, or
Start from
start
the
with
bottom.
everybody else's S's? Now we can start
Yeah,
with
but
our
we
S's
could-
last.
Yeah, we can start the S's.
All right, go ahead. You got the most combative, so you might as well just get yours out the way.
Put your punk ass Milky Ways up there. Go ahead.
It's
That's
funny because
mad.
I'm like, if it weren't for them, it'd be these. But I'm like, there you go.
This shit is
Like,
hard.
where my goat at? Where my goat at, bro?
Go is crazy,
My
bro.
goats.
You have to
That's
go in the
my
hell,
goats.
bro. That-
That's my goat.
That is crazy.
When I tell you I was deep throating these shits in the break room,
Oh
bro.
my
I don't know what happened, bro.
You're deep throating
I
chocolate. You mean like
And
$3
nougat?
chocolate
Like,
sticks?
bitch.
Bro, I was giving the sloppiest of top to Three Musketeers, bro. I
Niggas
don't
not
care.
dirty shit. Ain't no way,
Bro, these
bro.
I'm Kroger did something to me, bro.
Oh god.
I never ate Three Musketeers before Kroger, bro.
He's like,
I was like, fuck.
oh,
Not you making a sound, bro. That's crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm
Look at
laughing.
that.
Imagine looking Three
Oh.
Musketeers, bro. God
Alright.
damn, that's so fucking
Who
crazy.
next?
Twix. Easily,
Okay.
I don't give a fuck.
I agree. I'll take that.
Yeah, good man.
All right, my S is Werther's.
Nigga, no. Say
Yeah.
that.
Bitch. Put it out there.
Oh my God,
Bro, do you remember the strawberry candies, right?
Give me a second.
Yo, grab my purse, nigga.
Oh yeah. I already told you. I already said yeah. I like it.
You would eat those over Werther's?
I don't know what those are.
Where this is the caramel candies.
Ain't those the ones that's all caramel?
Yes, it's like all caramel.
Here, you go in your grandma purse. What candy you eating?
The strawberry or caramel. You gotta pick
strawberry
one.
one.
Good man.
Thank
Ah, bitch.
you.
You gross.
Thank you.
Ah,
Gross.
hush mode, nigga. Ah,
Thank
ah.
you.
Put your pants down, nigga. Ah.
What?
I'll show you.
It's
I'll show you a
prejudice.
fucking award, this
Spread
nigga.
shit.
Gross, bruh.
I'll show you a fucking award, this nigga. Ah.
Time out. Get the roach out your ass. What he think?
Right, bitch.
What's that nigga vote?
That nigga pick up the fucking strawberry, bro.
What's that nigga vote? That nigga come out strawberry.
You just go back in.
That nigga sass.
And that bitch with a fucking fedora, bro.
Oh my God, I was waiting for somebody to come up behind
Nigga go
me.
crazy, bro. You gotta draw fan art. I'm gonna commission you.
Hey, shut the fuck up! No.
I need that money. So let's.
What's your S? What's your S here? If you gotta pick one,
Can
He
I
said
just put
Twix dark
Musketeer as
chocolate.
bank?
where
He
did
said
you?
Twix dark chocolate.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Kit
No.
Kat.
You said
Kit
Kit
Kat
Kat.
S. That'll
He
be
said
mine.
dark chocolate
cool with
Kit
that.
Kat.
I'm cool. Yeah, where
Oh
Kit Kat
my
at?
fucking God,
Awesome,
bro! I
dude.
just want a different gun.
He
I
said
Kit Kat.
cracker.
I said
Oh.
Kit Kat. I've been saying. what
He
the
said
fuck are
crunch.
y'all talking
He
about?
said Crunch Bar.
Shut the
This
fuck
nigga
up.
He said Charleston Chew.
Niggas just-
What are these, bro?
I don't
need to know
know.
what these
I
are.
don't know what the fuck it is, bro.
Come
need to know
on,
what this
the
is,
top
bro.
Missing.
You should be able
The
to
fuck? Whoa! What the fuck did I just? That's crazy. Nigga,
How you do the?
watch this. It ain't work. Damn it.
Mike
Oh, I don't know what this is.
already said that, but good man.
It look like mothballs.
The silica gel shit.
Since you
The
ain't supposed to
silica
eat,
packs.
All
Yeah.
right, guys, it's time to do a chip chili.
it look like
No, I already did that. I already did that.
Glucose,
What's it? Is it Orbeez? What the
I don't
fuck
think
is
everyone's
them
gonna be on
things?
this fucking
That's
list,
what
bro.
I'm saying. I don't know what this
Yeah,
is, bro. This shit look like roach eggs.
Shit
Roach
like my
eggs?
Roach eggs.
That shit like ovaries.
It should like memory glands.
It's like a fucking cloaca. A bunch of them.
This look like clitoris pores.
It's a bag of
Clitoris
clits.
pores.
A bag of clits is crazy, bro.
A bag of clits?
Bro, that should be